Welcome to our video. In this episode, we'll explore the world of Discord bots and why they are essential for enhancing server experiences. Let's dive into the Sapphire bot. Known for its robust features and user-friendly interface, it stands out in the crowded bot landscape. Now, how does Sapphire bot measure up against other popular bots like MEE6, Dino, and Carl bot? Let's break it down. User experience is crucial. We'll see how easy it is to set up and customize Sapphire bot compared to others. Let's talk performance, speed, reliability, and uptime matter. How does Sapphire bot perform in these areas? Community support can make or break a bot. We'll examine Sapphire's documentation and user feedback. One of the unique aspects of Sapphire bot is its exclusive features that set it apart from the competition. Cost is always a consideration. We'll compare free and paid features among these popular bots. As we look ahead to 2025, what trends will shape the evolution of Discord bots like Sapphire? In conclusion, which bot is the best fit for your server? It ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences.